Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet with Zara. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to crochet a beautiful Willow Granny Square. This unique square features elegant open space and a texture that will add a lovely touch to any crochet project, whether it's a blanket, shawl or home decor. Grab your yarn and hook and let's get started on creating this intricate yet simple pattern. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun crochet tutorials. For this project, I'm using 3-ply yarn, a scissor, a weaving needle and a 3mm hook. You can use any size and any type of yarn and hook. It's totally up to you. I'm just teaching you how to crochet this Willow Granny Square. Make a slip knot. Insert the hook into the slip knot and tighten the knot. And work total of chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now work slip stitch into the first chain. Pull up the loop and pull through. Now you can see a little hole between the chain 4. Now work chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now work total of 16 double crochets including this chain 3 into the hole. Yarn over, insert the hook into the circle. Small circle, pull up the loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. In the same way, work total of 16 double crochets. Now I have worked total of 16 double crochet including this chain 3. Now work a slip stitch into the chain 3 to close the circle or round 1. Now for the round 2, work chain 4, chain 3 as a double crochet and chain 1 as a chain 1 space. Now work a double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1 and work double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, work a double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1 and work a double crochet into the next stitch. In the same way, work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in every stitch, and I will meet you at this point. Now I have reached the end. Now chain 1 and slip stitch into the chain 3. Now for the round 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 is, I will count as a double crochet, yarn over and work 2 double crochet into the chain 1 space, 1 and 2. Now work a double crochet on the top of the double crochet. Now 2 double crochet into the chain 1 space, double crochet on the top of double crochet, double crochet into 2 double crochet into the chain 1 space. Now work double crochet on the top of double crochet and 2 double crochet into the chain 1 space and reach here. Now I'm going to end my round 3 by working slip stitch into the chain 3. Now for the round 4, work chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and skip 2 stitches, 1, skip 2 stitches 1 and 2 and into the third stitch work a single crochet. This chain 5 is going to be my first corner. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip 2 stitches 1 and 2 and into the third stitch work a single crochet. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip 2 stitches 1 and 2 and into the third stitch work a single crochet. Now again chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip 2 stitches and into the third stitch work a single crochet. Now after 3 chain 3 spaces, work chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and into the third, work a single crochet. This is my second corner. In the same way, work chain 3, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, skip 2 stitches, into the third stitch, work a single crochet, skip 1, 2, 3, into the third stitch, work a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, skip 2 stitches, work a single crochet. Now you have 3 chain 3 spaces. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 2 stitches, work a single crochet. This is my third corner. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 2 stitches, work a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, skip 2 stitches, work a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, skip 2 stitches, work a single crochet. Now I am moving forward to my fourth corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 2 stitches, work a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, skip 2 stitches, work a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, skip 2 stitches, work a single crochet, 1, 2, 3. Now skip 2 stitches and work a slip stitch into the first stitch right here. Now for the round 5, work a slip stitch into the chain 5 space and work chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now work 4 single crochet into the chain 5 space, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now after working 5 double crochets, work chain 3 and 5 more double crochets into the same space, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you can see this is our first corner. Now work a single crochet into the chain 3 space. Now into the next chain 3 space, work 7 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now work single crochet into next chain 3 space and work 5 double crochets, chain 3 and 5 double crochets into the chain 5 space. This is going to be our second corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and 5 more double crochets into the same chain 5 space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in the same way, work single crochet into the chain 3 space and into the next chain 3 space, work 7 double crochets and into the next chain 3 space, work a single crochet. Now into the next corner, 5 double crochets, chain 3, 5 double crochets. Now again single crochet, 7 double crochets, single crochets, 10 double crochets with the chain 3 in between, single crochet, 7 double crochet, single crochet, and I will meet you at this point. Now work a slip stitch into the chain 3 to end the round 5. Now for the round 6, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 I will count as a double crochet. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and work a single crochet into the corner, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and again single crochet into the corner. Now work chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Work a skip 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and work a single crochet into the double crochet into the 6th stitch. Now work chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and skip chain 3, 1, 2, 3 into the 4th chain, work a double crochet. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3 chain and work a double crochet into the 4th one. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the corner, skip 5 chain, into the corner work a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, again work a single crochet into the corner. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 5 stitches and work a double crochet into the 6th stitch. Now work chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3 into the 4th one, work a double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3 stitches into the 4th one, work a double crochet. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, work a single crochet, chain 3 into the corner, single crochet, chain 3 and single crochet into the same space. Now work chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 5 stitches into the 6th stitch, work a double crochet. In the same way, work 3 chains into the 4th one, work a double crochet, work 3 chains, skip 3 stitches, double crochet, chain 5, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet into the corner, again work chain 5, skip 5 stitches, work a double crochet into the 6th one, work chain 3, skip 3 stitches, work a double crochet into the 4th one, chain 3, skip 3 stitches and work a slip stitch into the chain 3. Okay, I will meet you at this point. Now I have reached the end. Work a slip stitch into the chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. So we are at the end of our round. Now for the last round, work a slip stitch into the chain 5 space and work chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now work 4 double crochets into the chain 5 space, total of 5 including chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5. Now work 3 double crochet into the corner, 1, 2, 3, chain 3 and again work chain and 3 double crochet into the chain 3 space or into the corner. Now again work chain 5 into the chain 5 space, double crochet. Now work 5 double crochets into the chain 5 space, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now work 3 double crochet into the chain 3 space, 1, 2, 3. Now work again chain 3 into the chain now again work 3 double crochet into the chain 3 space, 1, 2 and 3. Now work 5 double crochet into the chain 5 space, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the same way as I have described, work 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet into the corner, into the chain 5 space, work 5 double crochet into the chain 3 space, work 3 double crochet into the next chain 3 space, work 3 double crochet into the chain 5 space, work 5 double crochet into the corner, work 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. Now repeat the stitch pattern until you reach at this point. Now work a slip stitch into the chain 3 space, 1 2 3, chain 3, and cut off the yarn. Now hide the tail. Thank you so much for joining me today as we made this gorgeous Willow Granny Square. I hope you enjoyed following along with the pattern and that it inspires you to use it in your own project. If you love this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to Crochet with Zara for more crochet tutorial. Keep crocheting. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take great care of yourself. Bye bye.